Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Dermot Kennedy here with a beautiful song, really Innocence and Sadness. So nice song here, very artistic, and if you watch the music video, you'll understand. Nice song to play, only downs here, so no strumming patterns or anything like that, just plain downs, piano-based song, works on the guitar. So let's start this one up. We had a capo set here on the 4th fret, alright? So we have a couple of chords to go over, I believe 4 of them. Yes, so the chords will be G, E minor, C, and D. So we have the G first, that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have the E minor next, so that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. C next, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And we have the final D chord here, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Okay, so like I said, just plain downs. So we'll start with the verse, and you're gonna play G, 8 downs, and then E minor, only 4 downs. And the value of it should be 8, but it's a pause there, half into the E minor for some lyrics. And like I said, it's a little bit artistic, this song, so it's a pause there, but the value should be 8 there. So G, 8, and E minor 4 plus a pause. All right, so it goes like this. 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and then E minor 2, 3, 4, and pause. And there you start the next part of the song. It goes only for this short, G8 and E minor 4, and then directly into the next chorus part. So the chorus will be C, 4 strumming downs, or downs only, sorry, and then E minor 2 downs, and D 2 downs. That short chord progression, C4, E minor 2, and D2, you play for 6 rounds. So a couple of rounds will be and so on. 6 rounds of that, and then after this chorus you have an instrumental part, and you're gonna play the verse play. This time you don't have the pause there after half into the E minor. You're just gonna play G8 and E minor 8, and then starts the second verse. The second verse will be played in the same way, so you play G8 and E minor only 4 with this pause, which leads you into the second chorus. And the second chorus will play in the exact same way as the first one, so no changes there. After the second chorus comes a bridge part, and now we're about 2 minutes and 40 seconds into the song. Okay, so here you're gonna play with a certain rhythm, so it will be E minor, D, and then C. You're gonna play E minor 1 time, and then D 1 time, and then C in total of 4 times, but with a certain rhythm. I'm gonna play for you and then explain further how it's done. So let's go. So I played 4 rounds of that, E minor, D, and C. So you play E minor 1, and then shift to D fast there, and play 1. And then shift fast to C, and play 2 fast downs first. And then you have small breaks in between the next 2 downs. So, alright, so the C part is the hard part here. It will be down, 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 down. So E minor, D, and then down, 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 E, D, C, 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 E, D, C, C, right? Perhaps you have to listen to the song and then try to apply this tutorial to it and really get the feeling for the rhythm. Nevertheless, you're gonna play this E minor, D, and C at this bridge part for 12 rounds, all right? So after this 12 rounds, you are about 3 minutes and 27 seconds into the song. And after that bridge part, we'll go back to play somewhat of an outro / third chorus. You're gonna play the chorus play there in the same way you learned before, and you're gonna play that for only 4 rounds, not 6 rounds like the previous rounds of the chorus there. This time you play only 4 rounds of the chorus play after its bridge part, and that sums it up for Dermot Kennedy's Innocence and Sadness. Nice song, and yeah, give it a try, guys. Piano based, but you can do pretty much everything on a guitar. So yeah, hope this helps, and until next time, play tuned.